about the green screen. You know, that's where I came up off. You know what I'm saying?
Say, you
So,
better tell him, Mike. Say, Mike,
man,
they don't understand, man. Mike came
once they
out
put that green
running with
screen
that
up there, that
shit.
gonna turn me up to the max, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. That gonna turn me up, bro.
Say, Mike was doing the fool, man. I
Man,
said,
what?
damn. I said, Mike, once I get that
Yeah,
bitch,
it did. That what he said. Once I get that green screen, it's over, and that's what happened, bro. You know what I'm saying?
we
Once you
was
got the
on it.
jump,
We was on it. I ain't gonna
yeah,
lie to you, but see,
for sure.
some of us be trying to hate because they mad because, you know,
Hey,
it's up there.
if you don't want nobody to green screen your shit, put it in those settings, bro.
Boy,
If your settings say you can green screen it, I'm green screening it if I like it. I don't care what you say. But if you don't want nobody to
you
green
should
screen
have
it,
did it.
put it in your stuff then.
Bam. Pay attention to what you're doing.
Exactly.
Get mad because then it pop on our channel. We doing and then you only have 5 and shit.
And then
Hey, I'm just saying.
if I green screen your stuff, I'm getting you an alley hoop. That's the way I look at it. Cause
Boy.
my people gonna be like, oh, I might mess with that, and then they gonna follow you.
Yeah,
And
see?
that's what it
It's
is.
networking, man. But see, some people
Networking.
don't understand what is networking no more, man. They think it's stealing. What is stealing when it's Joe title right there at the bottom?
It said right
Come
there,
on,
and
man.
then
Do your
it
research.
they don't show the whole video. They can click on it and look at the whole video.
Whole video. All we
There
did
it
was say,
is.
bam. You hear me? Come on, y'all. Networking,
Major.
pay attention. You hear me? Yeah, we ain't playing no game. We're telling y'all true game. You hear me? So
What the
don't
hell
look at
you doing,
everything.
man?
What's up with him, my bro? Bars. We the best. Everybody tap in, hit that thumbs up, man. Go subscribe to damn Dale. Bars. You hear me? Yeah.
Working.
Go,
Work
everybody.
in
You hear me?
progress,
Let's
man.
go. Yeah. Bar. Let's get it. That's all we gotta do. Everybody tap in, subscribe to everybody in the chat because we all family. You hear me?
We
All
the
you gotta do is
best.
tap on the link. Bam. Go to his channel, hit that thumbs up, drop drop a comment on his last short video and let them know. Say, bro, I just subscribed to your channel. Let's go. You hear me? We family. Okay. That's how we do it. Networking. That easy.
For
Tap on the
sure.
link, show love. That's how we doing it.
Working, I say. Yeah, that's what it's about, bro. Showing love, bro.
Yeah, let's go. Man, I'm telling you, we networking. Bars. They gotta catch up. You hear me? You gotta catch up, man. You hear me? Yeah, you gotta be real nowadays, y'all. You hear me? Yeah, they don't understand that, y'all.
It's cold in Dallas, bro.
Man, they will jam like a motherfucker. Better not give me copyright, assholes. Damn, this motherfucker got this little old speed racer ass car and shit. 3 wheels and shit. Got this bitch lit up like a Christmas tree and shit. God damn, I ain't push no damn green screen. Piece of shit. He up, I guess he taking everybody rides and shit in his goddamn speed racer and shit. Yeah, they up there having a little green machine. He up there flying like a mother. Yow! You better stop that shit. It ain't Halloween.
What's up, bro? This y'all must have froze or something.
On crazy shit.
What is gonna froze or something?
Yeah, that shit done went on a goddamn almost shit. I'm like, hey, come on now. Don't be hating on me like that. Don't be
Yeah,
hating on me like that. You two
I said
don't
that your
start
must
with me. You gonna make
that
me
your
hop
must
on
have
my other
froze or
channel,
something.
bitch. Don't play with
Slobbing
me,
and
you
shit.
two.
I said the
Pussy
jump must
you.
have froze or something.
Yeah, you already know, but now it ain't time to be freezing up yet. Bar, we the best. Fuck that shit. I put 50 more cents in that damn meter. Shit. Shit, I had to go put some more change in that motherfucker. Y'all,
Just
yeah,
put
this
50
that
cents in the meter.
metro shit.
We sipping on some brew.
Yeah. Oh, but hey, I still got my old dog. It's my time, man.
I
I got
already know what time it is.
I have to treat myself. Yeah,
You
we
gotta
we
do
we
that.
bar, we ain't playing, and we fire in the hole. What's up with it, right?